BMW i8 eDrive electric. Slammer of a car. Just a beauty. Wing door. Get in here. Handle up here. I really like this design, the one piece button open there. Inside's kind of a classic BMW. Small little bucket seats for insurance reasons, I've heard. And there you go, nothing to start up, it's electric. We'll give it a whirl anyways. Alright, now to exit. Like I said, that seamless 1-2 punch. A little tricky getting out, low headroom. Close handle right here. Kind of scary to close. I guess you are safe to. And there you have it. WI8.